Hello photographers, today we are unboxing Apexel 12-24x macro lens. It comes in this plastic case which can easily fit in your pocket. This foam packaging is a sign of premium product. And it also comes with a microfiber cloth so you can easily keep your lens and camera clean. Build quality is also really nice. It has some rubber padding on both sides to protect your phone from scratches. It is actually a 2-in-1 lens, so if I have to use 12x, then I will have to unscrew its upper lens, which makes it 24x. Make sure you place it on your main camera. These black corners are visible when you use 24x, but you can easily get rid of them by cropping. So here are some test shots with this lens.